And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the income tax threshold will be increased to $2 million over the next 3 years.
Finance Minister Favour Williams made the announcement in her budget presentation in the House of Representatives.
Now, some JPS prepaid customers are also set to receive credit, and car dealers are also getting a reprieve.
Finance Minister Favour Williams was a little bit more animated than usual as she opened the budget debate.
So we come to the good news, number 21.
No new taxes were announced in her nearly 2.5 hours speech, but the income tax threshold, the portion of one's salary that is not subject to income tax, is going up. The current threshold is roughly $1.7 million per year.
This government will increase the threshold to $2 million. Remember, we are a responsible government, and so we'll increase the threshold in 3 tranches, to 1.8, then 1.9, then 2 million over a 3-year period, starting April 1, 2025.
In the meantime, the announced reduction in GCT on electricity will take effect on May 1 this year, moving from 15% to 7%. And as part of efforts to cut over $40 billion worth of stolen electricity, $1 billion has been set aside for the first 20,000 JPS customers who sign up for prepaid electricity.
The $1 billion will go towards paying for house wiring. And inspection in order to get those with a legal connection to get legally and safely connected to the JPS grid. To incentivize the uptake of prepaid electricity service, the first 20,000 new prepaid customers will get $4,000 credit for electricity per month for 6 months.
Meanwhile, public sector wage negotiations for the new contract period has begun. Claims have already been submitted for the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions, some police personnel, teachers, and some groups in the health sector.
As we approach the start of the new fiscal year, we intend to make significant progress in the implementation of the pay for performance element of the new compensation system. We have begun the conversations with our union partners because we must continue to transform, to provide the framework and tools to improve productivity in the public sector.
New car dealers will also get a break after complaining about bond payments that tie up too much of their money. Minister Williams reported that 50,786 vehicles valuing $81 billion were imported in 2022.
And if you look at the duties are between 67 to about 88% of the value. And if you assume the lowest duty, you can see that the capital tied up against the duties is significant. We listened to the industry, and now, instead of 100% bond against the duty, we have reduced that to 20%. Very nice.